students. So today's topic of discussion is free fall, gravitation. So actually what is free fall? So when an object falls down towards the earth under the gravitational force alone, we say that object is in free fall. The velocity of a freely falling body changes and it's said to be accelerated. And this acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity, and which is denoted by g. Acceleration due to gravity is denoted by small g, and its unit is meter per second square. So g means acceleration due to gravity. Now we know that F equal to ma by Newton's second law of motion. We know that F equal to ma, and also we know that, so here a means acceleration due to gravity, so we can write F equal to mg, where acceleration is acceleration due to gravity. And from the universal law of gravitation, we know that F equal to g capital M small m by d square. So this one is from universal law of gravitation. So now from 1 and 2, so from 1 and 2 we got F equal to mg, so in second equation F equal to g mm by d square. So by mixing up two equation we can write mg equal to capital G small m capital M by d square. So small m cancel out, so we can write g equal to capital G m by d square. So where capital M equal to mass of the earth, d means small d, sorry, d means distance between object and earth, earth, and next one is capital G. So we know that this one is gravitational constant, so, and also capital R means radius of earth. Also we can use by converting this formula to this type, g equal to small g equal to g m by r square, where capital R is equal to radius of earth. So this one is the expression of g, and by using this formula we can calculate the acceleration due to gravity. So in the next video we will discuss how to calculate the value of g. Thank you.